So what's up community, welcome back to our YouTube channel with amazing and fabulous videos. So our today video is about new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Monkeysy. In this video I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. You can check here Monkeysy live price 0.000011 dollar. You can check here Monkeysy Monkilla. You can buy Monkeysy now. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So it take time, then you can see this page is open now. Guys, you can buy Monkeysy through PancakeSwap.finance. You can check here PancakeSwap.finance page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect polling wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, OKX wallet, Coinbase wallet. So guys, you can select any wallet, then you can select your network. You can click here, then you can select network. So I select my network BNB chain, then you can enter your BNB amount. For example, I enter BNB amount 1000, then you can buy Monkeysy now. If you want to sell Monkeysy, then you can click here and enter your Monkeysy amount, then you can receive BNB now. And next guys, you can back to the official website, and next guys, you can see the white paper about this project Monkeysy Monkilla. You can click here and see this Monkeysy white paper PDF is open now. You can check Monkeysy Monkilla white paper. Number one, introduction. Monkeysy is more than just a meme coin. It's a cultural shift where meditation meets market choice with community power, golden banana chains, and pure jungle energy. Monkilla is here to zen pump the meme space. Number two, backstory. Number three, talk to memes. You can check here. Number four, VN. Number five, roadmap. Number six, community and culture. Number seven, security and transparency. Number eight, how to buy. So guys, we are discussing this how to buy Monkeysy on PancakeSwap.finance. You can check here step by step. Number one, add BNB to MetaMask. Go to PancakeSwap. Use contract address to buy Monkeysy. Hodl, meditate, and me. Number nine, you can check here the officials link about this project in Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. You can check here, and next guys, you can back to the official website. Guys, you can register for giveaway. So guys, you can click here, then you can register now for the giveaway. You can see this. So guys, you can enter your name, then you can enter your email, enter your BSC wallet address, then you can register now, then you can participate in giveaway, Monkeysy giveaway. You can check here, and next guys, we can back to the home page, and next guys, we discuss about Monkilla. Monkeysy is not just another meme coin, it's a movement born in the depth of crypto jungle. Monkilla is led by meditating monk who turned banana juice into calm convections with gold chains and glowing bananas. Monkeysy is not chasing charts, it's crafting a legacy. We mix meme culture with a zen twist. Our community is the cure, our meme are marketing, and our future is packed with utility like launchpads, community mini games, and massive giveaway. Monkilla is here to meditate, meme moon. You can scroll down, check here the talk to mix. Total supply, you can check here team reserve, locked amount, maximum value 2%, 20 million, maximum tax 1%, 10 million, tax 6%, 2% burn, 2% marketing, 2% liquidity. And as you can scroll down, check here giveaway monkey meme challenge. You can check here, you can see this the roadmap. Phase 1 branding, token mix, smart contract. Phase 2 community contest, voice over. Phase 3 LP lock, verification, launch. Phase 4 website, white paper, listing. Phase 5 launchpad, mini games, airdrops. So guys, you can check here our teams, and Damon Prat Singh, founder, debut dev and smart contract lead, Babu community and meme commander. You can check here the team member. We are decentralized keyword developer, marketers, and meme engineers with a single goal: take Monkeysy to the moon and meditate while doing it. Our founder is publicly doxxed while the rest of the team remains semi-anon to maintain the masteries and meme magic. And as you can check here, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Instagram. So guys, we go to this project Monkeysy Monkilla official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Monkeysy Monkilla Queen official Twitter page here. You can follow this. You can give information about this project. You can check here Monkey is now live on Queen Hunt, Queen Scope. You can vote now. You can check here Monkey trading live. You can check here the price. You can see you can start trade now on PancakeSwap. You can check here arbitrage. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post about this project Monkey Monkilla. And next guy we can back to the home page. And next guy we can go to this project Telegram. So guys you can see this Monkilla official Telegram group chat community is open. 77 members that join this group. So guys you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. And next guys we go to this project official YouTube channel. So guys you can see Monkey official YouTube channel open. You can subscribe now. You can like and comment this video. You can click here and watch these videos and invite your friend to follow and subscribe this YouTube channel. And next we can back to the official website. So guys our website video is finished. If you are like my video then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.